Alex is off on my Mooncool TK-1. He's my son-in-law. I'll point him out when he comes back. Gonna go a couple miles down the street by the looks of it. He took to it real fast. It's a good bike. I recommend it. I'm Lighthouse. Here he comes. There he comes. He's a pedaling away. There he is.
It's very nice. It goes fast.
You know what?
Actually, if you like hit it with the pedals, I got it up to like 18 and a half.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you're kicking it in. It did that?
Yeah. If you keep pedaling in,
Yeah.
you can get it to go past 15.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Hold on. It takes a minute to get used to, because you know, usually when you were a kid, like this car is usually like mounted on this thing, so like you kind of like in your mind you think that it's gonna move when you turn it, but it just stays, you know.
Yeah.
It just, you know, takes like a little bit getting used to.
Yeah. Yeah, I was seeing the FedEx guy. He carried the box in, and he got almost to the door or the garage, and he goes, "Ah!" because it's so heavy, you know. Yeah, I think it's about 98 pounds, maybe 100 pounds.
Yeah.
You think it's heavy?
No, not too bad, but yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want to carry it for a long time, but just to like pick it up and put it on something.
Put it up, throw it back. It is folding, you know. It's folding, right?
Oh, right there in the middle. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it'll fold the down here.
Yeah, I see the middle.
It folds here, and the handlebars fold down. See right there? There's a quick disconnect, I'll call it, right there.
Yeah.
So this folds down and folds in half, and you can put it in an SUV or something like in your van. Out here, I don't doubt you can put it in the back.
Oh yeah, that'll fit for sure in the minivan.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Lighthouse. I'm out.